You didn't become a creative artist just so you could shoot on autopilot. My name is Teri Hofford, and I'm a body image educator, photographer, and author. But more importantly, I'm a creative with a mission, and chances are good, so are you. In the pursuit of our mastery, we can improve our skills immensely, but we also find ourselves losing our creative edge. This is why I'm excited to invite you to the Body of Art Masterclass. In this class, I'm going to help you connect to your creative archetypes, really figuring out what motivates you to create the art that you want to. This is going to help you refine your purpose and passion. Then, I'm going to show you how we can help our clients go from focusing on worrying about flattering to instead focus on being excited about feeling, so that we can start to create work that transcends all beauty standards. Lastly, I'm going to introduce you to the 6 creative elements that I personally use to keep my work inspired and connecting to my purpose. So if you're looking to take your work deeper and create more impactful imagery that's going to set you apart from other photographers, then the Body of Art Masterclass is for you.